Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to do the configure the password reset from the Office 365. Normally from day to day support, the help desk always receive the ticket for people want to forget his password or his password expired. Then he needs to reset the password. Then we have, Office 365 has provided the feature for the user to reset the password for himself. So let's see how can we do this. We have an on-premise, Active Directory, and I'm open now on my screen. And in this one, I also installed the Azure AD Connect, which synchronize all the user accounts from the on-premise Active Directory to, Office 365. So in order to configure the, password reset by user himself, we need to do some configuration. The very first one we want to do is go to the Active Directory, we go to the domain, right click, properties, and then we go to security. Because I'm using the administrator account to, to configure the AD Connect, I just check the permissions for this user. Click advanced, and then select administrator, click edit. So I just scroll down to the bottom. I just make sure the reset password box is ticked, the permission. You see this one? This one is ticked now, fine. Then I click OK. If not ticked, then we need to tick this one. Then click OK, OK to close this one. After this is done, we go to the next is to open this Azure AD Connect. And then we click config, and then custom synchronization option to the password. Next. So we have already synced the user, the user OU. This one is for the internal users. All the users in the internal user OU is synchronized to the 365. So just click next. So we want to password hash synchronization is already achieved. This means the 365 has the user password. And we want to, select this option, password right back. This means if user change password from 365, the password will be written back to the Azure AD on-premise, to the Active Directory on-premise. So we need to choose this box and then click next. So this is done. it says configuration is complete. So so once we configure the Azure AD Connect on-premise, then we go to the Azure Cloud Office 365 admin portal. We just open the admin.microsoft.com and then go to the admin center and then click identity management. I just opened this one now. So in the identity management portal, we go to the password reset. See, protecting the password reset. In the password reset, we go to the properties. Normally, before that, when you first go to the password reset, this one shows none. But you can either choose selected. If you choose selected, then you can choose a security group, like for testing purpose. You can just add some user to the security group, and then click selected, and then select the security group. In this case, I just select all. I want all users to reset password by himself. And then next one is to click authentication method. So there's a few options you can choose. One is number of methods you require to reset. So I choose one. This means you only need one method to reset the password. But also you can choose two. If you choose two, means you use two methods. Not use a password. It's like other methods to prove it's the user himself. So like mail by app code. This always means Microsoft Authenticator. And the other one, email. The user has email, and also the mail by phone number. And this one also select the security questions. So security questions, you can choose how many questions you want to register. 3, 4, 5. You can choose which one you use for user space, and then you can click, security questions you want to, select. I select the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you can add custom questions by yourself. Okay. So just as I said, you can use one method, or if you use one method, it means if you forget a password, you only get one, for this one option to prove it yourself. If you get two methods, that means you need to get two authentication paths. One, for example, one is the app code, the other one is the mobile phone number question. So this one is for the authentication method. And then there's another one I want to show you is on-premise integration. Microsoft has introduced this on-premise integration from the Azure portal. It enables password write back to sync the users, when the password changes, or write back password with Microsoft Azure Connect Cloud Sync. Microsoft Azure Cloud Sync, we need to install the agent on the server to allow the Microsoft, extra Connect Cloud Sync. So otherwise, you will get the error message that we can't detect the, connecting for the on-prem, please fix. Then, if I show you how to install the, you know, extra cloud sync, this one, extra connect cloud sync, we just go to the Microsoft Edge, and then I go to the, Microsoft Connect, go to hybrid management, Microsoft Extra Connect, and then if I go there, you see there's a cloud sync here. We just click cloud sync. In the cloud sync, we click agent. Then we need to download the on-premise agent and click, accept terms and download. Already download this one agent. After we download the agent, we need to install this agent on the server on-premise. So I have install this agent, on this domain controller. So this extra cloud, this agent can be co existing in the same server as AD Connect, just as a backup. So they can sync from the uh, on-premise to the cloud, and also password write back to using this one as well. So after you install this agent, it will ask you to log into 365 and then log into the on-premise Active Directory, and then you click next, then it's finished. Then if you already installed this one, it shows the on-premise server, you see the agent. Before that, this one is empty, but now it shows the on-premise server shows underneath. And then when we have done this one, we just go back to the, you know, password reset. And then on-premise integration, we can tick this three box, enable password write back to sync users, write back password with Microsoft Extra Connect Cloud Sync. This is what I'm talking before. So because this one Extra Cloud Sync is already detected, you see, already showing setup complete. Then we can we can just do the password reset. So if I go to the browser, I just simulate what the user forget password to the I click login, sign in. I put this user, and then I click forgot my password. Then the way I ask me input this characters. So I select I forgot my password, and then click next. So you see this one, it shows a text from my mobile phone number or enter code from my authentication code. You can choose which one you use. I just use this, from my I select a code from my authentication number, authentication app. Then it asked me to input the new password. So you see, password has been reset. So user can reset the password, and industry has reset password by, you know, successfully through this. So if you're the first time, to create the new for the new user account, they may need to set up the authentication method first, like Microsoft Authenticator, scan, and also input the mobile phone number and also answer the security questions. So let's see how can we do this. We just input a aka.ms SSPR setup. Just go to this website and then I put I create a test account, just input the username. So when I input the username and the password, it says the more, information required. This means we need to access the, input the other authentication code method, like, scan for the, Microsoft Authenticator or, answer the security questions and answer them, and then input the mobile phone number because, if you see from my Office 365 portal, I already selected the authentication method. So user need to, put this in. Otherwise, it can't reset the password. So that's why it popped up for the, more information required because this is just a new user. He needs to set this up first. So if I click next, so this one, first one is use the, Microsoft Authenticator app. Scan, just click next, scan for this one. I just opened the Microsoft Authenticator from my mobile phone and scan the QR code. Then click next. The authenticator is set up successfully. So I click done. Click done. So I put authenticator. The authentication app is already put in, and then we add phone number, email, security questions. So say this is the one we select. So we need the Microsoft Authenticator is already put in. So user can use this one to, because I only select one method, so user can, if I select the security question, I just select question, simply just put it in second question. So now I set up the, the security question, and then I can add other methods like, the email, phone number, just put a, so I set two, you know, methods. One is the authenticator app, the other one is security question, but we can also set up others like, mobile phone number, email address. So we can just like, go to security info and then click the sign in message. Once the set up, we forget the password. We can just click forget the password and follow the process to, to reset the password by myself. That's all I show you today. Thank you.